Now's your chance to be ruthless.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret.
Oh, howdy there. I suppose you're wondering what I'm doing, huh? After I put this whole thing in. And, well, even though it's all shimmed and everything, in between there's enough rocking going on that when that washing machine runs, it starts to shaking on there. Just the vibration going across to the dryer and everything's shaking. And I can't deal with that. So we cut it off where that's gonna sit, and we'll put the wood blocks up for these two to sit on. And all will be good. Yeah, I know. But, you know, I got whatever. What do I do with them? Nothing. Do I extend this out? Could. I could just come all the way out, make it the whole work area. Maybe, maybe not. For now, I'm not going to worry about it. I'll save them. And we'll go to get to work on doing this. How's that? Alright, well, I should probably find my broom. Oh, there we go. Maybe clean this up a little bit. So don't worry. I didn't cut through the cement. I set the depth at the right depth. There's dimples in the back. It's all good. Some of those feet to the bottom that I didn't get cut all the way through that were in the right in that spot, so I'm sure. There's one right there. Cut. There. It's really good for a blade too, isn't it? It's okay. So far, one of these I know I'm gonna. Yep. Sounds like a hollow spot there, doesn't it? Wasn't too bad at all. We'll see. I bet you there's some shims in there too. There might be. That's okay. So, rubber mallet maybe, huh? We'll see here once. Yeah, you see, all the shims I had to put around here. And that's why I had so much flex going on. Now, as far as this goes, we shall see about doing a little shimming in here, huh? Where can I put that shim? Well, I guess. So, well, it's not like these are wasted. They're used throughout. It comes in a big old pack, one pack, and a whole bunch in them. So, not a big deal. Well, do I do the washer first? Or the dryer first? Probably not the dryer first. I don't know. Actually, I should probably get these blocks figured out first, huh? So, yeah, well, this was not quite high enough. So, and this would definitely be high enough. Because if I drill a hole in there, I'm gonna go all the way in. No, I'm not. Almost gets it there. So I guess I'm gonna need 4 more of those. Alright. I guess I got work to do. Might as well get busy. That's the ticket. Alright. Now I suppose I should do some paint. Oh, I gotta do some, I should have countered some down into there first. Well, before I cut it out, because I can clamp it down and I can drill in with the Forstner bit. Now I'm gonna have to go over to the garage and use the table saw. Or tip saw.